2012 Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, trip computer, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power moonroof, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.